Imagine a world where owning an electric car is no longer a luxury reserved for a few, but an accessible choice for everyone. Sounds like a distant reality? Well, that future might be closer than you think. Tesla, known for challenging the automotive industry's norms, is about to shake up the market once again with a new release that promises to change everything: the Tesla Model Q. An electric vehicle designed for those who have always wanted to enter the EV world, but were held back by high prices. What makes this model so special? It is not just another electric car on the market. It is a central piece of Elon Musk's vision for a sustainable future. The greatest challenge of automotive electrification has always been making this technology accessible without compromising performance, safety, and innovation. And now it seems Tesla has found the perfect formula for that. The Model Q emerges as a direct response to the need to democratize electric vehicles, making them a real option for a much broader audience. The transition to a world powered by clean energy has an obvious obstacle: cost. While electric vehicles are growing in popularity, many still face the barrier of high prices, which keeps combustion cars the dominant choice. With the Model Q, Tesla aims to break this barrier, offering an EV with cutting-edge technology at a significantly lower price. The result? A car that promises to open the doors to electric mobility for millions of people worldwide. But don't think that affordability means giving up innovation. On the contrary, Tesla designed this model with a clear concept: keep the essentials, remove the unnecessary, and deliver an efficient, functional car ready to meet everyday needs. With an intelligent design and a streamlined production approach, the automaker was able to cut costs without compromising quality, making the Model Q a robust and reliable alternative. If there's one thing that really stands out about the Model Q, it's the price. While the market has gotten used to seeing electric vehicles as premium products, Tesla decided to challenge that logic. With a starting price of just $17,897, the Model Q enters the market as one of the most affordable options in its category, making it 30% to 35% cheaper than direct competitors like the Chevy Bolt and Nissan Leaf. But how did Tesla manage to cut costs so aggressively without compromising user experience? The answer lies in a series of strategic choices. Instead of following the traditional production model, Tesla opted for a simplified design and a highly optimized manufacturing process. This means fewer parts, fewer assembly steps, and a better planned supply chain. Every component of the Model Q was designed to reduce costs without sacrificing efficiency, from the vehicle structure to the materials used in the interior. Another key factor in the price reduction was the elimination of non-essential features. Previous Tesla models often come equipped with advanced technologies such as premium sound systems, luxurious interiors, and giant dashboard screens. In the Model Q, the approach was different. The company focused on the essentials, ensuring that the car delivers the expected performance, but without the luxuries that drive up production costs. Additionally, Tesla made adjustments to the manufacturing process to minimize waste and reduce labor costs. The company implemented modular production, an approach that allows different parts of the car to be manufactured separately before final assembly. This strategy not only speeds up the production line, but also drastically reduces the need for large factories with complex structures. The reduction in battery costs was also a crucial factor. Tesla has been investing heavily in the development of more efficient and cheaper batteries, using new materials and manufacturing optimizations. The Model Q will be one of the first vehicles in the lineup to fully benefit from these innovations, representing a major competitive advantage. But what about the competition? Traditional automakers like General Motors and Nissan have been trying for years to dominate the affordable EV market. However, even popular models like the Chevy Bolt, $26,500, and Nissan Leaf, $27,800, have not been able to reach a price point as low as the Model Q. This difference positions Tesla as a major disruptor, making the new car a real threat to traditional manufacturers. The big question now is, does this cost-cutting strategy compromise the car's performance and range? After all, an affordable EV needs to be more than just cheap. It needs to be functional, reliable, and efficient. And that's exactly where Tesla aimed to stand out, ensuring that the Model Q is not just an affordable option, but a truly competitive choice. Low prices are usually accompanied by drastic performance cuts, right? Well, that's not the case with the Tesla Model Q. Despite its reduced cost, Tesla's new compact electric vehicle does not compromise on one essential characteristic for any EV: energy efficiency combined with balanced performance. And this is precisely where it manages to surprise. The Model Q enters the market with an estimated range between 250 and 300 miles per charge, putting it directly in competition with vehicles like the Chevy Bolt EV, 259 miles, and Nissan Leaf, 149 miles in the base version. The most impressive part? Even though it costs significantly less than these competitors, it delivers equal or even superior range in real-world conditions. Another key highlight is charging time. Using Tesla's fast charging stations, the Model Q can reach 80% charge in just 15 to 20 minutes. This figure places it among the most efficient EVs in its category, making it a viable choice both for urban commutes and medium-distance trips. The reduced charging time enhances the car's practicality, allowing the driver to spend less time waiting and more time on the road. Performance is also not left behind. Although it does not feature an all-wheel drive system like some of Tesla's more expensive models, the Model Q is equipped with an efficient and responsive electric motor, delivering a good balance between power and energy consumption. It may not be a sports car, but its acceleration is quick enough to ensure a fast response in traffic and agile handling in city driving. Additionally, one feature that deserves attention is the regenerative braking system. Just like in other Tesla models, the Model Q recaptures energy lost during braking to recharge part of the battery, increasing the car's day-to-day efficiency. This feature not only improves the vehicle's range, but also reduces brake wear, bringing long-term savings on maintenance costs. And when it comes to comfort, Tesla has made smart choices to balance cost and user experience. The Model Q comes equipped with suspension tuned to handle uneven roads, ensuring a smoother ride even without resorting to expensive technologies like air suspensions. The soundproofing, while simpler than in Tesla's premium models, was designed to keep the interior quiet, making for a pleasant driving experience. In terms of technology, Tesla has managed to maintain a level of sophistication without compromising the car's budget. The Model Q features a modern and intuitive interface, with a smaller central screen that still retains the visual identity of other Tesla models. The connectivity system also stands out, providing over-the-air OTA software updates, which have become a competitive advantage for Tesla in recent years. When it comes to electric vehicles, two main components determine both efficiency and cost: the motor and the battery. To make the Tesla Model Q affordable without losing competitiveness, the company had to make bold decisions. The most crucial one? Simplifying the drivetrain, reducing costs without sacrificing performance. Tesla opted for a single-motor, rear-wheel drive configuration, eliminating the traditional dual-motor all-wheel drive system found in more expensive models. This choice had a direct impact on lowering production costs, as it eliminates additional components like extra axles, differentials, and complex torque distribution software. But don't be mistaken, this decision does not mean a loss of efficiency. For daily driving, rear-wheel drive ensures agile and balanced handling, making it more than enough for urban and highway driving. Along with a simplified motor configuration, the Model Q introduces another major innovation: the use of 4,680 battery cells. These new cells are larger, denser, and more efficient, allowing better space utilization within the battery pack. In practice, this means that the Model Q can deliver the same range as cars with larger batteries, but with fewer materials and reduced overall vehicle weight. Speaking of weight, this optimization brought significant benefits. Thanks to the innovative design of the 4,680 batteries, the overall weight of the battery pack was reduced by 10% to 15% compared to previous Tesla models. This factor directly impacts the vehicle's energy consumption, making it more efficient and allowing it to drive further on a single charge. Another benefit of the new batteries is the reduction in manufacturing costs. The production of 4,680 cells uses fewer rare materials and follows a more efficient manufacturing process, cutting production costs by up to 14%. Additionally, the structured battery design allows the pack to function as part of the car's chassis, eliminating the need for extra reinforcements in the bodywork and bringing an additional reduction in assembly costs. And if there's one point that deserves special attention, it's durability. Tesla claims that the new 4680 battery cells have a longer lifespan, which reduces degradation over the years. This means that Model Q drivers will have longer-lasting batteries that maintain efficiency for much longer, avoiding unnecessary expenses on premature replacements. Another aspect that can further contribute to cost savings is the recycling and reuse of old batteries. Tesla has already been investing in material recovery processes, using recycled nickel and cobalt in its new battery packs. In the case of the Model Q, this strategy could result in an additional reduction of up to 20 to 30% in production costs, making the car even more economically viable. If there is one area where cost-cutting is usually noticeable, it's the car's interior. However, Tesla took an intelligent approach with the Model Q, ensuring a balance between simplicity, functionality, and comfort without compromising the driver's experience. Instead of a sophisticated dashboard filled with luxurious features, the Model Q adopts a minimalist design, avoiding excesses but still modern enough to appeal to a broad audience. One of the first strategic cuts was the reduction in the size of the central screen. Unlike Tesla's premium models, which feature giant 15-inch displays, the Model Q is expected to have a smaller screen, between 10 and 12 inches, enough to maintain an intuitive and modern interface without inflating production costs. This change alone could reduce hardware expenses by 10 to 15%, maintaining a balance between functionality and accessibility. Another important adjustment was replacing power-adjustable seats with manual seats. This may seem like a step backward to some, but this choice directly impacts cost reduction and long-term maintenance. Electric seat adjustment systems can be expensive, fragile, and difficult to repair. With a manual system, in addition to cutting 15 to 20% in manufacturing costs, Tesla also ensures greater durability and less need for costly repairs in the future. Furthermore, Tesla opted for more sustainable and affordable materials for the seats and dashboard. The Model Q moves away from synthetic leather or sophisticated materials, instead using recycled fabrics and eco-friendly plastics, which maintain a pleasant and durable appearance without increasing production costs. The use of recycled plastic and PET fabrics could reduce material costs by 20 to 30%, making the car's manufacturing even more sustainable. Another cost-saving measure is the elimination of premium features that usually make EVs more expensive. The Model Q will not have sophisticated ambient lighting, nor wood or brushed metal trims. Instead, Tesla prioritized an interior focused on functionality and wear resistance, making it ideal for those looking for a practical daily use car. The instrument panel follows Tesla's minimalist philosophy, keeping only essential controls and eliminating unnecessary physical buttons. Car adjustments are made directly on the central screen, reducing design complexity and manufacturing costs. This choice not only saves production costs, but also preserves Tesla's visual identity, ensuring that even a cheaper model still carries the brand's DNA. In terms of thermal comfort, the Model Q features a manual air conditioning system instead of the traditional digital and automatic climate control. This reduces the need for sensors and sophisticated electronic components, cutting system costs by up to $1,500. The driver can still adjust the temperature and ventilation normally, but without the automation present in more expensive models. In an interesting detail, the Model Q may not include a premium sound system. While other Tesla models come equipped with advanced audio systems with up to 15 speakers, the Model Q will likely have a basic system with 4 to 6 speakers, more than enough for those looking for a functional sound experience without paying for high-end audio performance. This decision alone could reduce production costs by up to $2,000. The exterior design of a car can significantly impact production costs. The more sophisticated and complex the elements, the longer the manufacturing time, and the more expensive the final product becomes. To ensure that the Tesla Model Q remained affordable without losing its visual identity, the automaker focused on a more compact and simplified design, drastically reducing material and manufacturing costs. One of the first strategies adopted was reducing the size and complexity of the body structure. The Model Q is smaller than Tesla's other cars, requiring 20 to 30% fewer materials for its construction. This not only reduces production costs, but also lowers the vehicle's weight, which in turn improves energy efficiency. Additionally, Tesla simplified the external details, eliminating excessive curves and creases in the body, which would increase stamping and assembly costs. Another strategic decision was the standardization of wheel options. While more expensive models offer various wheel sizes and designs, the Model Q will feature simpler and more affordable options, likely 16 or 17-inch wheels. This choice could reduce manufacturing costs by 20 to 30% while also improving aerodynamics and vehicle efficiency. Changes have also been made to the lighting system. Instead of sophisticated technologies like matrix LED or laser headlights, the Model Q will use a basic LED system, which is sufficient to provide good lighting without increasing production costs. This choice could reduce manufacturing costs by 15 to 20% without compromising safety or aesthetics. Additionally, the Model Q may come with a reduced color palette. Unlike other Tesla models that offer a wide range of paint options, this new EV may feature fewer variations, focusing on neutral shades such as white, black, silver, and basic blue. This simplifies production logistics and reduces costs associated with painting and finishing. Another strategic cost-cutting measure was the elimination of chrome elements and metallic details in the exterior finish. Components like chrome window trims and metallic moldings increase costs but do not impact the vehicle's performance. In the Model Q, Tesla opted for a more discreet and functional design, using more affordable materials to preserve the brand's identity without inflating costs. The panoramic glass roof, present in models like the Model 3 and Model Y, may also be excluded from the Model Q. While it is an aesthetically appealing feature, Tesla chose to go with a conventional roof, which reduces manufacturing costs and improves the car's thermal insulation. Without a glass roof, the vehicle's interior absorbs less heat from the sun, which can help lower energy consumption from air conditioning. Finally, Tesla may opt for a more efficient assembly process, using fewer components to structure the Model Q's body. By utilizing the Giga Press, a machine capable of manufacturing large sections of the chassis in a single mold, Tesla can reduce the number of structural components by up to 70%, decreasing assembly time and production costs. With all these changes, the Model Q maintains a modern look aligned with Tesla's identity, but without unnecessary elements that drive up manufacturing costs. All of this is part of Tesla's strategy to offer a truly affordable electric vehicle, maintaining performance and efficiency without increasing costs.